Hello, my name is Jamie Rogers. I am the CEO here at Heartland Wellness Center.
I'm Belinda Hubert. I'm the clinical psychologist, medical director at Heartland.
My name is Molly Ray, and I am the clinical director as well as a clinical mental health therapist at Heartland Wellness Center.
Here at Heartland, one thing that I am confident that makes a difference is the connection that we have with our clients. Somebody who is struggling with addiction or even mental health issues can feel alone. They can feel a lot of shame. They can feel a lot of guilt. And our goal as a team is to help with that as best as possible. And one of the ways that we do that is through the connections. We're right here with you. And we're gonna walk through the journey with you. One of the things that we often say is we're gonna work with our clients really hard. Not harder than them, but we're gonna work really hard with them.
One of the things that I love most about Heartland is our welcoming environment, and we're very intentional about making it a welcoming place to be. I think that every organization probably could have a word attached to it, and if I had to think of a word for Heartland, that word would be connection. I often say of myself in my own practice, human first, therapist second. And so when people come to Heartland, the thing that they're gonna get is they're gonna get a warm hello, they're gonna get smiles, and it's gonna be genuine. And I think that so much for me is I know on the back end how important this is to us. I know that we do really love and care about our clients, and so the fact that we get to show up in our foyer at our front doors and meeting our clients, that we really are welcoming them. It really is an honor to get to work with our clients, an honor to be asked into their journeys with them.
I've been a psychologist licensed since 1983. I started here a little after Heartland opened, and it is a different kind of place. It sincerely is. I think because we were all invested in getting it right. The first and I think most important thing that we do that I have not seen, especially in agencies, is a human to be human connection. We really, on purpose, baked in the idea that it's not we're the professionals, you're the addict. We're seeing humans. We're not telling them who they are. We're not telling them where they should be or how they should behave. We're trying to see them and help them find their way back to their best self.
One of the benefits of being a really close-knit team is that from the get-go, when somebody calls us and is looking for either help with recovery or for individual or couples or family therapy, whatever it is that they're looking for, our goal is always to match that person and their specific needs with who we think is going to be the best fit for them. And because we know each other so well, because we have a really strong bond as a team, it's pretty easy for us to say, oh, that person would be good for you. The bond and the rapport between clinician and client is one of the strongest predictors of success in therapy and treatment. And so knowing that, it's our goal to always be genuine. It's our goal to always remember what an honor it is to be able to sit in the chairs that we sit in and walk in the ways that we walk with our client, honoring the bond that we have, enjoying the bond that we have with our clients. Knowing that together we're going to be able to dig deep as well as laugh a little bit together and just be human together.
We also figure out what led them to that addiction path. And often there's trauma. And a lot of people don't think of trauma as, yeah, my dad was kind of rough, or yes, there was some addiction that I grew up with, but that's trauma. I mean, it may be just your story and what you tell yourself about that story, but always with trauma, the take-home experience is, I don't matter. And what we do is the opposite of that. We help people understand you do. You really matter.
But if you are struggling or if you need help, Heartland's definitely a place that you can depend on to be several things. Non-judgmental. You're not going to feel that. You're not going to experience that. You're going to experience compassion. You're going to experience acceptance. Our goal is that if you walk in this door at Heartland, that you're going to feel valued, respected, that you're going to walk out knowing that you have a sense of direction and a next step. If you call Heartland, I can promise you that you're not going to walk through this alone.
Asking for help, especially for the first time, can be daunting, but 10 seconds of really big courage. What we don't know yet when we are in that place of having to ask for the help or needing to ask for the help is that once you ask, there is someone waiting on the other side of that will walk you through.
But if someone said, I could use some help with something, the question always is, how can I help? And I'll do whatever I can.